Hi, welcome back to Ms Chooni. This is Kind Skills Lab. Here, we learn small skills that help us with big feelings.
Today, we're going to talk about something very important. It's called fairness. Fairness means playing by the rules. It means taking turns. And it means choosing what's right even when no one is watching. Let's listen to a story.
One sunny afternoon at school, Aarav and his friends were playing a board game on the classroom carpet. It was a fun game with dice and colorful pieces. Whoever reached the finish line first would win. Aarav really wanted to win. He rolled the dice. It showed a 4, but if he moved 4 spaces, he wouldn't win yet. He looked at the dice again. No one was looking very closely. Slowly, quietly, Aarav moved his piece 5 spaces instead of 4. Now he was almost at the finish line. His heart beat fast. For a moment he felt excited, but then Mia looked at the board. "Wait," she said softly. "I think that was 3, not 4. The room felt quiet. Aarav's cheeks turned warm. He looked at his piece. He knew what he had done. Their teacher, who was nearby, gently walked over and sat beside them. "Aarav," she said kindly, "sometimes winning feels very important, but fairness is even more important." Aarav looked down. "I just wanted to win," he whispered. Ms Chooni nodded. "It's okay to want to win," she said. "But when we change the rules to help ourselves, it stops being fair for everyone else." Mia added, "When we all follow the rules, the game feels fun." Aarav thought for a moment. He didn't like the heavy feeling in his chest. Slowly, he moved his piece back 1 space. "It was 3, he said quietly. "I'm sorry." Mia smiled. "That's okay. Let's keep playing." The heavy feeling became lighter. Aarav rolled again. This time he moved exactly the number he got, and something interesting happened. Even though he didn't win that round, he felt proud. After the game, the teacher gathered the children together. "Fairness," she said, "is not about always winning. It's about making sure everyone feels respected." She looked at Aarav. "And sometimes, the bravest thing we can do is fix a mistake." Aarav smiled, because that day he learned something very important. Winning feels good, but being fair feels even better.
So, little thinkers, next time you play a game, roll the dice honestly. Take your turns patiently. And remember, being fair makes the game fun for everyone. I'm Ms Chooni, and this was Kind Skills Lab. Thanks for listening. I'll see you next time.